The INEOS O&P site at Rosignano in Italy was founded in 1912. After 100 years of operation, the site's future looked uncertain, until recently. Following the arrival of a new chief executive and operations manager, the site has seen a reversal in its fortunes.
The atmosphere in the plant is good, the mood as well. The people are really committed, and they also appreciated the change we are doing step by step, and they are really appreciating especially the results. People are motivated, and they are pushing also the change. It's very important to have a daily communication with people, to tell them what was running well, but also to say them if something was not okay, so they can rearrange the setup and can react. We had, till now, very good. We are working on different topics. First of all, to stabilize the performance of the site, especially on the EHS aspect, so zero injuries for us a must. So we have in this moment a different target, driving our sites to a new level of stability, a new level of capacity, a new level of performances.
This new positive attitude and increase in capacity is reflected in the number of big investments in the site, securing its future and helping it to fulfill its true potential.
We have replaced all the reactors in this site over the last 5 years. So with this big investment, INEOS can exploit the real capacity of the plant and increase the reliability as well. So this is a very good investment.
One of these investments is Project Bulgari, a multinational multi-million euro construction of a new pilot plant. Rosignano forms part of INEOS's research division. This team are working hard to incorporate more post-consumer waste into INEOS's products. But it isn't as simple as mixing fresh plastic with recycled plastic. That product would not have the right properties and would not meet the standards required of it. At INEOS laboratories in Brussels, using their chemical and engineering expertise, they are developing new plastics that can include increasing amounts of recycled material. That technology is transferred to Rosignano, where their new pilot plant will test sustainable solutions to plastic production on an industrial scale.
The market needs today are really moving into sustainability. How do we change our product portfolio into a more sustainable product portfolio? Thanks to this pilot plant, we will be able to develop new grades that are exactly following that market needs.
And these new products really are quite important for us as a business. It's the whole idea for us to save CO2 during the lifetime, and by recycling them back into new products, in fact, be circular and reduce the dependency on fossil fuels.
INEOS can contribute a lot solving the issue with plastic. For sure, the reutilization of plastic waste is the key for the future.
Constructed in Holland by specialist manufacturer Zeton, the completed plant was then broken down into sections and transported 1,500 kilometers by road to the site in Italy. There it was reassembled in just 3 days.
We are proud to delivering such a plant to Italy. I think it sets a landmark for Rosignano, for their new investments in R&D, and to have the site also focusing on R&D. The whole team at Zeton, we are so proud that we just helped a little bit in getting that goal achieved for INEOS.
The new pilot plant will be crucial in testing and developing new advanced polyolefin products for a wide range of applications. Products that will be fully recyclable and capable of working seamlessly within a circular economy.
Installation of the new pilot plant on the Project Bulgari here in Rosignano is a very good news, and it will be very good to develop our processes and our products.
I have a lot of expectation from INEOS for the future of the site and for the business. I believe that we can help the environment and the customer to solve the problem of plastic. And the experience and the competencies we have here in the site and in the business too, we can really develop something that is useful for the end customer and for the consumer to solve these issues. I think that INEOS can play a very big role in this.
With the pilot plant already up and running, just 2 weeks after delivery, it's a project that demonstrates a commitment to the future of the environment, to the site and to the people that work there.